Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start with your back to the camera, right knee slightly bent and arms slightly away from your sides. For the first 4 counts, move your right arm out and up until it is straight up, then pull your right fist down as you look up for the next 3 counts. Lower your right hand as you turn to the right, stepping around on your left, then right foot. Step forward on your right foot, then bring the toes of your left foot down next to your right foot. Do this in the opposite direction, then do it once more in the opposite direction. Take 4 steps forward, starting on the right foot. Step over to the right with your right foot as you swing your right arm in a counterclockwise circle, then bring your left foot over to meet your right foot as your right fist comes near your right shoulder. Do this move in the opposite direction. Step forward on your right foot as you swing your arms outward, then bring your left foot up behind you as you lean forward slightly. Bring your left foot down, then bring your right foot back to meet it as you put both hands on your hips. Bend your left knee and move your left shoulder forward and your right shoulder back, then switch the positions of your shoulders twice as you bend your right, then left knee. Brush your left shoulder off with your right hand twice. Slide your left foot over to the left, then back so that you are facing to the left with your right knee bent as you swing your right arm counterclockwise until it is straight up. With your left hand on your hip, straighten then bend your right knee twice as you move your right hand down, then move your right fist over to the left as you step over to the right with your right foot. Bend your elbow to bring your right fist near your right shoulder as you bend your left knee to the left. Spin your right arm in a clockwise circle and end by extending your right arm straight out to the right as you bend your left elbow to bring your fist near your shoulder and turn your heels to the left. Slide your right foot to the right and back and pivot on your left foot until you are facing the camera again as you move your right arm straight up, then back down. With your arms slightly away from your sides, step slightly to the right on your right foot as you look in the same direction, then do the same to the left. Look at the camera, then extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your palm facing down. Bend your right elbow to bring your hand up, palm facing in, as you shake your hips to the right, then left, then right. Shake your hips to the left as you bring your left arm horizontally in front of your right arm, palm facing out. Shake your hips to the right as you move your left arm over to the left a bit, then shake your hips to the left as you move your left arm in front of your right arm again. Swing your arms down, then out and up as you bring your right foot over to meet your left foot, and end with your left arm crossed over your right arm in front of your chest so that your palms are facing out. Step back on your right foot as you tilt your head to the left and extend your arms, still in position, straight out toward the camera before returning to your previous position. Pull your fists outward so that they are near your shoulders and your elbows are pointing straight out to either side. 昨日までの生き方を否定するだけじゃなくてこれから進む Open your fists as you swing your hands up, keeping your elbows bent, then lower your arms. Step toward the camera on your right foot as you move your left arm forward a bit, then move your right arm forward a bit and look away from the camera as you step back a bit on your left foot so that you're facing to the left. Look at the camera again, then tap your right heel in time with the music as you bring your right arm up for the next 2 counts, palm facing up, until it is straight out to your right. Continue tapping your right heel in time with the music as you pull your right fist in near your shoulder for the last 2 counts. Swing your right arm and slide your right foot over to the right, then back in so that you are facing the camera with your arms slightly away from your sides. Touch your left shoulder with your right hand as you bend your left knee a bit, then move your right hand over to your right shoulder as you step back a bit with your left foot. Keeping your elbow bent, turn your right hand out to the right so that your fingers are pointing to the right as you bend your right knee a bit. Touch your right shoulder with your right hand again as you bring your right foot back a bit and bend your left knee slightly, then move your left foot back slightly to meet your right foot as you extend your right arm straight up with your palm facing to the right. Put your left fist on your hip as you turn to the left, bend your right knee, and extend your right arm down in front of you. Alternate bending your knees 4 times as you move your right arm up until it is straight above you. Swing your right arm in a large counterclockwise circle as you begin to bring your left foot over to the left so that you are facing the camera, then bring your left foot down as you bring both fists in near your chest. Shake your hips to the left, and right, then move your fists to opposite sides, bringing your right arm above your left arm as you tilt your head to the left before returning to your previous position. With your palms facing out, move your hands out to either side and down as you step 4 times, starting on the right foot to bring your feet together. With your hands slightly away from your sides, step back into the left with your right foot so that you return to the right, then tap the toes of your left foot in place. Step slightly to the left with your left foot, then bring your right foot back over to the right before putting your right hand on your chest. Lower your right hand and step back into the right with your left foot so that you return to the left, then tap the toes of your right foot down a bit further to the left. Step back to the right with your right foot, then back to the left with your left foot. Bring your right fist near your left shoulder, then open your hand and move it over to the right before lowering your arm. Step forward on your right foot as you begin bringing your arms down in front of you, then tap your left foot down next to your right foot. Move your arms up as you step forward on your left foot, then bring your hands up so that your palms are facing the camera as you tap your right foot down next to your left foot. Take 4 steps forward, starting on the right foot, as you move your arms straight out to either side. Lower your arms and step behind your left foot with your right foot, then spin to the right until you are facing the camera again. Put your left fist on your hip and bend your left knee to the right as you point up and to the left with your right hand, keeping your elbow bent, and look in the same direction. Bend your right knee a bit as you point up and to the right with your right hand and look in the same direction. Look at the camera and spin your right arm in a clockwise circle, then another half circle to bring your right fist down to your hip. Step over to the right on your right foot as you bend your left knee to the left. Straighten, then bend your left knee again, then bring your left foot down with your toes pointing up and to the left. Bring your left foot down, then bring your right foot out toward the camera in the same manner as before. Bring your right foot back, then step further to the left with your left foot before repeating the first 4 counts in the opposite direction. After you bring your left foot back to meet your right foot, slide your right foot forward, then bend your knee to bring your foot up as you move both arms forward and up, keeping your elbows bent. Step back on your right, then left foot as you lower your arms, then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot as you bend your elbow to bring your right hand up to the right before doing the same with your left arm. Cross your left arm in front of your right arm as you tilt your head to the right, then move your head back up as you pull your fist over near your shoulders. Bring your right foot up behind you as you lift your left heel off the ground and push your fist down on either side of you, then step forward on your right foot before bringing your left foot up to meet it. Jump slightly to separate your feet as you look down, then back up. Put your left fist on your hip and extend your right arm straight up with your palm facing out.